we're here because Mr. Jones doesn't have his interlock that he was required to, and he's been in lockout for quite some time.
Correct.
Which is unacceptable, right? If you're in rehab, we have to know, and, there are certain measures that we can take, but just if you don't tell us anything and you're just in lockout, that's a problem. I have a real big problem, and I don't know you. Everybody tells me that, oh, it's little raindrops and gumdrops and little bunnies jumping in the woods, but how the hell do I know? So he's telling me that you've been in a rehab in Ohio.
Sir.
When?
The last setting that we were here, the prior setting to this judge, he got on a plane from the courtroom and went off to Ohio. And I actually forwarded the court his admission pay for it to that facility in Ohio.
What was the date of release from that program?
It was last Friday. I spent 8 days in the hospital detoxing and then the rest of the time in the rehab. And, I'm trying to put together a forward plan. I'm not supposed to be talking too much, but to take aftercare and go back to another rehab here locally and work on getting better. And I'm being proactive with that, Your Honor.
He's had to change insurance.
That's all we ask, because the problem is that some people can, and some people can't. Addiction, it's a lifelong, and it's a persistent monkey that's on your back that will never let go. It will constantly grab at you. So if you're not proactive about it, that's when it grabs you by the boo-boo, and it just doesn't go well.
Sir.
I just need to make sure that you're not using, number one. Number two, most importantly, that my public is safe, because I certainly don't want you in a car unless everyone is protected. And the way we know that is that you don't have alcohol on